We get this question from almost all of our customers. Hey, we've got all of these marketing channels that we're using. Which should we actually focus on? Which channels are effective for our business? Well, marketing attribution plays an important role in answering this question. Multi-touch attribution, for example, is a type of marketing attribution model. It's basically a fancy way of saying which marketing activities and which channels across your buyer journey are contributing to bringing in money. So, with this exercise, you can identify where to focus your marketing efforts and your marketing dollars to get the highest amount of paying customers or conversions. So, let's say you have a B2B SaaS product and you're running ads on Facebook and LinkedIn, Google, and maybe you're marketing through partner sites. And you've got customers signing up, that's not the problem. The question is, where are they coming from? Which channels are actually working for you? Do you need to keep spending dollars on running Google ads? Or should you focus more on LinkedIn? Or maybe your target audience resonates with you more on Facebook. And what is the flow of activities that results in a conversion? Now, in marketing, we know that the user journey to conversion is rarely ever linear, it's rarely ever straightforward. Maybe in our case, our example could be buyers read your blog post on the partner site, which then directs them to your website. They click on the CTA on your website and they sign up for your newsletter. And then they see a retargeting ad on LinkedIn. And then they attend a webinar. And then they finally sign up as a user. So with multi-touch attribution, you would identify each of these touch points that we just went through, or the set of actions by the user that contributed to a user response. And you assign a value or a revenue credit to those actions because those are the actions that are contributing to getting those users to a conversion. And maybe in our case, the most important touch point we find based on analysis, maybe the common denominator in the buyer journey, is the LinkedIn ad, for example. So you would assign a relatively high value or revenue credit as LinkedIn being the prominent channel contributing to conversions. And of course, after our analysis, after our epiphany, ideally you would want to focus more efforts on the channel that is actually producing results for your business. And maybe dial back efforts on some channels that may be weak in result production. So ultimately, with multi-touch attribution, what you're trying to determine is what is the optimal combination of touch points and channels to drive the highest number of conversions so you can maximize your marketing ROI. That's basically the gist of it.